To transfer XRP to a Phantom wallet, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency transactions and wallet management. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet application installed on your device and that you have created an account. Open the Phantom Wallet application and click on the Add Token button. Search for XRP and select it from the list of available tokens. If you do not see XRP in the list, you may need to add it manually by entering its contract address. Once you have added the XRP token to your Phantom wallet, you will see its details, including the wallet address. This address is where you will send your XRP from your current wallet or exchange. To initiate the transfer, go to your current XRP wallet or exchange account and navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Enter the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field, making sure to double-check the address for accuracy. Specify the amount of XRP you wish to transfer and review the transaction details, including any applicable fees. Confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer process. Depending on the network congestion and the speed of the wallet or exchange, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete. You can track the status of your transaction using a blockchain explorer. After the transfer is confirmed, open your Phantom wallet to verify that the XRP has been successfully received. You should see the updated balance in your wallet. Best practices for transferring XRP to a Phantom wallet include always verifying the wallet address before initiating a transfer and being mindful of transaction fees. Additionally, ensure your Phantom wallet is up to date and that you have a backup of your wallet seed phrase in a secure location. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely transfer XRP to your Phantom wallet and start taking advantage of its features and functionality.